Do you know olive oil was a significant part of the ancient Greek Olympics? What does olive oil have to do with the Olympics? Watch the video until the end to find olive oil's significance for the ancient Olympics while exploring fascinating facts about olive oil and its complete production process. From harvesting, sorting, and crushing, the olives to the malaxation of paste and packaging and distribution of the extracted oil. Every step ensures purity of each drop of olive oil. Olives are the fruits of the Olea europaea. They are a type of drupe with a hard pit surrounded by fleshy fruit. Fossil evidence suggests that wild olives have existed since or even before the Miocene era millions of years ago. These ancient olives were different from the varieties we have today. Olives have been cultivated in the Mediterranean for thousands of years. The earliest evidence of olive cultivation dates back to around 6000 BC. Greeks spread olive cultivation in the 6th century BC throughout their empires. Later, Romans also spread it in the 1st and 3rd centuries CE. Olives were brought to America by Spanish explorers in the 16th century. Olive cultivation has since spread to many parts of the world. Today, olives come in a variety of shapes and sizes. They can be oval, round, or pear-shaped. They're also available in various colors, including green, black, purple, and brown. The color of olives depends on the olive variety or how they are processed. Green olives are picked when they are still unripe and have a green color. Black olives are picked when fully ripe and have a black color. Purple olives are a cross between green and black olives. Brown olives are processed olives which have lost their green or black color. Olive oil was first extracted around 3000 BC. The first olive oil presses were made of stone. Later, olive oil presses made of wood and metal were used. This oil is used for various purposes. It's used as a food ingredient, a cooking oil, a salad dressing, a skincare product, a fuel, and has many health benefits. It's a good source of monosaturated fats, beneficial for heart health. This oil also contains antioxidants, which help to protect cells from damage. And it lessens the risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. Spain is the world's leading olive oil producer, manufacturing almost half of the world's olive oil, followed by Italy, Portugal, Morocco, Turkey, Greece, and Tunisia. The global production volume of olive oil amounted to approximately 3 million metric tons, nearly 3 billion pounds in 2021 to 22. The global olive oil market size was evaluated at about $14.2 billion in 2022. Let's explore how olive oil is made. The quality of olive oil is directly affected by the quality of the olives, the harvesting, the processing methods, and the storage conditions. Throughout production, strict quality control measures are implemented to ensure the oil meets specific standards for taste, acidity, and overall quality. Olive oil production typically begins in late autumn when the olives are fully ripe. The olives can be hand-picked or harvested using mechanical methods like shaking the branches or combing the olives off the trees. Hand harvesting allows for the selection of only ripe olives. Machine harvesting is more efficient, but can damage the olives and result in lower quality oil. After harvesting, the olives are sorted to remove any leaves, twigs, or other debris by water washing, air blowing, and sieving. Once sorted and cleaned, the olives are crushed or ground to a paste. Traditionally, stone mills were used for this purpose, but modern facilities often use stainless steel hammer mills or disc crushers. The olive paste is then malaxed, which involves slowly churning or mixing the paste and merging the tiny oil droplets into larger ones. Malaxing or mixing the paste for 30 to 45 minutes between 77 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, ensures extracting a large quantity of high-quality oil. This helps to break down the olive cells and release the oil. The malaxation time for extra virgin olive oil is typically shorter to preserve the oil's flavor. For other grades of olive oil, the malaxation time can be longer. The next step is separating the olive oil from the other components of the olive paste. This can be achieved through various methods. Pressing. Traditional pressing involves placing the olive paste on special mats and stacking them. then applying pressure to extract the oil. This method yields cold-pressed olive oil. Decantation. In this modern method, the olive paste is placed in a horizontal centrifuge that spins at nearly 3,000 RPM, separating the oil, water, and solids based on their different densities. Continuous centrifugation. The olive paste is fed into a continuous centrifuge that separates the oil from other components, spinning them at approximately 6,000 RPM. Further separation optional. Some producers may use additional processes, like vertical centrifugation or filtering, to refine the oil and remove any remaining impurities. After the separation process, the olive oil is transported to stainless steel tanks or dark glass containers by electric pumps to protect it from light and oxidation. The storage area temperature is maintained at nearly 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. When ready for distribution, the olive oil is bottled and labeled. The packaged olive oil is shipped to retailers such as supermarkets, grocery stores, specialty food shops, and online marketplaces by trucks or other transportation. Olive oil takes three forms during the production process. Crude olive oil. Crude oil is extracted from the olives immediately after milling and malaxation. It's a cloudy and viscous liquid containing various impurities, including water, solids, and free fatty acids. Refined olive oil. This oil is produced by refining crude olive oil. The refining process removes the impurities from the oil, making it clear and colorless. However, the refining process also removes some of the oil's flavor and aroma. Extra virgin olive oil. This is the highest quality olive oil. It's produced from the olive's first pressing, contains less than 0.8% free fatty acids, and has a strong flavor and aroma. So, why was olive oil significant in the Olympics in ancient Greece? Athletes used olive oil to massage their bodies before competitions. It was believed to have protective and soothing properties, helping the athletes prepare physically and mentally for their events. Olive oil was also used as a natural sunscreen and skin protectant during outdoor competitions, as it helped shield the athlete's skin from the sun's harsh rays. Olive oil is the main oil in my home. We use it on everything. How do you like to use olive oil? Tell us in the comments section. Also, tell us the benefits that you've enjoyed from olive oil. Thank you for watching this episode. Hit like and subscribe for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.